So this is my MAE 535 demonstration project, and the project is on magnetohydrodynamic propulsion. So as you can see here, there are two leads connected to a power supply. There's a magnet in the middle and two electrodes. So what happens is when we turn this on, we'll just crank it up fully. It's kind of hard to see, but this current carrying solution, basically just water and salt, is actually flowing. So if we do the right hand rule, right? So if you have a magnetic field going up, voltage potential going that way, your solution will go that way. So this one's a little backwards. I don't exactly know the correct orientation of that magnet, but we're sitting at about 23 watts here, and we can put in a little dye, right? You can see the dye is getting entrained and it's flowing out the other side. Now, an interesting thing is if we actually push these back, this is a N42 magnet, we push these back, stir up some dye here, you'll notice that the fluid is actually only flowing over the magnet. So you get some other fluid flow, but it's mainly only through here. So as that voltage comes across, it's only interacting with the magnetic field over the magnet. And so some other cool stuff we can do is we can turn this off here, and we can actually swap the electrodes. So swap these real quick. And we can scooch these back in. Crank this back up, 26 watts, and now the fluid is actually flowing in the opposite direction. So this area of more purple dye is getting pulled in, shoved out towards the area with the red dye. And again, right, this is based upon how much current this, how much current this solution can conduct, right? How much power we're applying, as well as the magnetic field strength. So this is an N42 magnet. We turn this off here, and then we carefully pick this up, move it over here, move it to a bit stronger magnet, turn it back on, starts going, hopefully a little bit faster. I don't know how well that's going to be able to see. It is a stronger magnet. It's an N52 as opposed to an N42. And an interesting thing is, so you saw earlier how we swapped the leads and the direction changed. As you swap the pole of the magnet, the direction also changes. So we can go ahead here one more time, swap it over. Sharpie in the way. But as you can see, this pole is swapped, and now the fluid is flowing towards the camera. So another interesting thing is this all works because the solution can actually carry, or is actually conductive. If we go over here to just plain old tap water, we still have our aluminum electrodes. We cranked it up. We get essentially nothing. That's because the solution is not conductive. Now, you can do this with anything other than, well, salt water. You can do this with, gallium, plasma, etc. But for a simple demonstration of lenses force, it works perfectly.